Hi students, dear viewers, we are in the last phase of trigonometry. This is the third part, and today we are going to deal with the important part of the trigonometry examination point of view, that is trigonometric identities. It is page number 293 of 10th class, Board of SSC, Telangana State. Now my dear students, the problems what we are going, in the previous videos we have already covered trigonometrical ratios, specific angles, complementary angles, it's all we have covered. This is the final video of trigonometry chapter. By this we are going to complete the chapter by trigonometrical identities. Remember that from this exercise you can expect question at any time. Whenever it is, it may be your annual examination or your school examination, because this exercise is favorable for the examination purpose. Always question will be asked from this chapter, from this exercise, that is trigonometry identities. Now my dear student, trigonometrical identities, remember the three, these are the proved identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Identity 1. Anything which is equal to 1, they are called identities. Now, very simple, 6 के 6 आपके trigonometrical ratios आ गए. Sin cos रहे वक्त add होगा, sum. Sec और tan रहे वक्त minus होगा. Relation, you just justify the relation. Cosec cot रहे वक्त minus होगा. Whenever you are solving now onwards, we have to use the help of this one. Without this help, you can't able to solve the identities problem. Now, page number 294, do this. Sin C is equal to 15 by 17, then find the cos C. Now, my dear students, in the first exercise, during the ratios of trigonometry, we did in another method. दूसरे मेथड से हम करे थे. Sin मतलब इसका trigonometrical ratios दिए थे, opposite by hypotenuse. अपोजिट 15, हाइपोटेन्यूज 17. ये 15 और 17 ले लेके हम एडजेसेंट निकाले थे पाइथागोरस से. फिर ऑल द जब 3 साइड्स आगे थे तो हम कॉस वगैरह कुछ भी निकाल सकते थे. बट नाउ द सेम क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग सॉल्व्ड हियर बाय आइडेंटिटीज मेथड. देख लेना पहले आप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सी देयर इज अ रिलेशन बिटवीन साइन कॉस. यस, दिस इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू ऑलमोस्ट ऑल क्वेश्चन. इट इज एप्लीकेबल ओनली फॉर द व्हेन रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट. जब रिलेशन आया तो ये आप कर सकते. Sin cos relation, yes, there is a relation, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Identity number 1. So cos square theta, sin square theta means sin C. In the place of theta, C is there. Okay. 15 by 17 whole square is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus 15 square by 17 square is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 15 square, 225 by 289 is equal to 1. Cos square theta, 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. Plus, it will become minus here when we transpose. 1 to 89 LCM 289, 1 to 89, 289, 289, 1 are 289 minus 289, 289, 289 goes 1, 225 are 225. So 289 minus 225, 64. Now here square is there. So 64 is nothing but 8 square, 289 is 17 square. 8 by 17 whole square cancel. So you are getting the answer cos theta as 8 by 17. Another question we are going to solve here. This is page number 293. Evaluate the following and justify your answer. Okay. Same, my dear students, we did in the third exercise, that is complementary angles. First of all, you have to see that change sin square 15 value. Sin square 15 is equal to how much? Sin 15. First of all, before proceeding for the square, you have to go for the 15. पहले sin 15 निकालनी होगी आपको. Sin 15 में मुझे आंसर लाना है. If I want to get the answer in the sin value, then I have to proceed with the cos. So complementary angle, you know that cos 90 minus theta क्या होता है? Sin theta. Cos 90 as it is minus as it is. In the place of theta, theta is here. In the place of theta, we have to keep 15. So naturally, if theta in the place of theta, it will become 15. 90 minus 15, cos 75. So cos 75 is equal to sin 15. Therefore, sin square 15 is nothing but cos square 75. Because you see, cos 75 is equal to sin 15. In the place of sin 15, sin square 15 is nothing but cos square 75. Another, in the denominator also, we are going to change the value of cos square 36. We are going to find out the cos square 36. So let us find out cos 36 first. हमको cos में आंसर लानी है. We have to get the answer in cos. So we have to begin with the sin, complementary angles. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus 30 is equal to 36. 90 minus 36, 54. Therefore, cos 36 how much? Sin 54. So, cos square 36 is equal to sin square 54. Now, our question is this one. Now, I am substituting. In the place of sin square 15, I can keep cos square 75 plus sin square 75 as it is. In the place of cos square 36, I can keep sin square 54 plus cos square 54. Remember this. Again, cos square theta, theta same, angles are same. Theta, 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 angles are same. So, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here also cos sin square theta plus cos square theta. Since you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So, this is nothing but it's a combination of complementary angle and identities. Remember that whatever the question we are going to solve now onwards, it all based on these three. हम जो भी क्वेश्चंस हम यहाँ से करने वाले हैं ये पूरे के पूरे आइडेंटिटी से रिलेटेड रहेंगे. Example 13, page number 294. Show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to sec theta into cosec theta. You have to prove LHS equal to RHS. Now, you know my dear students, tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So there are different methods of solving this problem, but I prefer generally changing conversion into sin and cos. It will be more comfortable. कभी भी sin और cos में convert करके देखिए आप, बहुत आसान रहेगा और अच्छा रहेगा. Now चलिए cot theta की जगह मैं क्या लिखूँ? Cos by sin plus tan की जगह sin by cos. I have to prove this. मुझे ये proof करनी है. So sin cos LCM sin theta cos theta. Sin चले गया, cos theta is remaining. Cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus cos theta चलेगा, sin into sin sin square theta. Since you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta, ये हटा के क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 1. So 1 by sin 1 by cos. 1 by sin 1 by sin 1 by cos. 1 by sin is what? Cosec. 1 by cos is sec. Therefore, sec theta into cosec theta into sec theta same. LHS is equal to RHS. Don't get confused. Cosec, sec, cosec are same. A into B is equal to B into A. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2 only. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Hi viewers, this is trigonometry, the part 3 and the final part. So example number 15, page number 295. Show that tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta is equal to sec to the power of 4 theta minus sec square theta. From tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta, we are taking out common. दोनों में से common निकाले आप tan square theta. तो आ जाएगा आपको 1 plus tan square theta. क्यों? Tan square tan 1 जा tan square theta plus tan square into tan square tan to the power of 4 theta. Identity number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 as it is, minus tan square it will become plus tan square theta here. Similarly, sec square theta plus 1 it will become minus 1. Minus tan it will become tan square theta. Minus tan square theta will become plus tan square theta. So in the place of tan square theta, I can write sec square theta minus 1. 1 plus tan square theta, and that is equal to what? Sec square theta. Sec square theta into sec square theta. Minus sec square theta 1 जा sec square theta. Sec square into sec square theta is equal to sec 4 theta minus sec square theta 1 जा sec square theta is equal to sec 4 theta minus sec square theta. LHS is equal to RHS. Now my dear students, this is very important. This is the last exercise of the identities, in which you are having 10 questions and 3 examples. Believe me, all time favorite questions solve. Every time this one question may be asked from this exercise, whether it is pandemic, non-pandemic, whatever that is, I have been observing. So, whole root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. And we are speaking about the complementary angle only. Means theta is greater than 0 and less than 90. Now, same. Whole root, we have to separate the roots. हम roots इनके separate कर दिए. Into, this is very important factor what I am explaining now. This is called rationalization. How you have to do? Now, 1 plus cos theta whole root multiply. You may be having question, doubt, sir, why you are multiplying 1 plus cos theta? root. Then again what I am doing, 1 plus cos theta root, I am getting divided to it. So multiply के साथ साथ, by multiplying we are also dividing also, the question will be balanced. You may not having any doubt. Multiply करा साथ साथ divide कर दिया. Here I am giving and taking back again. No issue. अब आपको दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन जरूर आ सकता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स कि आप ये 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किए सर? वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक. यहाँ पर देखना है कि 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा रूट है, तो 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा का कॉन्जुगेटिंग फैक्टर होता है ये 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा. जो दे रहे हैं आप वही वापस ले रहे हैं. मे बी यू हैव द क्वेश्चन व्हाट टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. तो व्हाट टू मल्टीप्लाई, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना सर और किससे डिवाइड करना, वो देखने के लिए हमको यहाँ पर देखना होगा 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा रूट. तो इसका 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा रूट को आप कॉन्जुगेटिंग फैक्टर होगा, और ऐसा करने को कॉन्जुगेशन भी कहा जाता है. 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा विल बिकम 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा रूट होल स्क्वायर, होल रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा. स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल, 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ यू केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व, जरा ऑब्जर्व करो आप, a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी फॉर्म में आ रहा है. a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव कोसेक थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा. रिमेंबर आइडेंटिटी नंबर 1 हियर, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर इधर आके माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा हियर. इसीलिए हम क्या लिख रहे हैं, ये आइडेंटिटी से वैल्यू साइन स्क्वायर की एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लिए, निकालिए. तो इन द प्लेस ऑफ 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा आई कैन राइट साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. सो 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा बाई साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. क्यों? वाई? 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा हटा के मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल, 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा बाई साइन थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू कोसेक थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा. अब ये साइन थीटा 1 के लिए भी है, साइन थीटा कॉस के लिए भी है. सो 1 बाई साइन प्लस कॉस बाई साइन. देखिए आप एलसीएम लीजिए, रिवर्स जाइए आप, आपको ये फॉर्म में आ जाएगा फिर. सो 1 बाई साइन इज नथिंग बट कोसेक थीटा, cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta, cosec theta plus cot theta, LHS is equal to RHS. If it is given, show that या prove that, जब कभी आया you have to write hence proved. Now we are in the last exercise of the trigonometry, that is very much important, no doubt about it. कौन से भी एग्जामिनेशन होने दीजिए, लास्ट एक्सरसाइज आइडेंटिटी की 10 क्वेश्चन है. वी आर अमंग द 10 क्वेश्चंस. Now we are proceeding with the 3rd, 7, 10. These 3 are very, very important. That's why I pick out important questions for you and I am solving. And moreover, ये questions को थोड़ा बहुत changes भी करेगा. I'll practice that one also for you. Now, same in the previous video you have seen in the example. Now the same question is given by the 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, sec theta plus tan theta. Whole root था ये, जिसका रूट उसको अलग अलग कर दिए. अब होल रूट जाके न्यूमरेटर रूट डिनोमिनेटर रूट अलग अलग रूट्स कर दिए इनके. अगेन इट इज कमिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट, रेशनलाइजिंग. ऐसा करने को रेशनलाइज करते मीन्स 1 प्लस साइन थीटा से रूट से मल्टीप्लाई करे. यू मे बी हैविंग डाउट, क्वेश्चन हो सकता है सर कहीं को कर रहे हैं आप ऐसा, वाई यू आर डूइंग लाइक दैट सर. तो फिर मैं क्या करूँगा, उससे ही डिवाइड कर दूंगा. जैसे मैं डिवाइड करा योर ऑब्जेक्शन विल बी कैंसल, क्योंकि मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया साथ के साथ डिवाइड किया. आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग, गिविंग एंड टेकिंग बैक अगेन. यू मे बी हैविंग डाउट वाई, व्हाट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाई, ये मल्टीप्लाई क्या करना सर, हाउ यू गॉट 1 प्लस साइन थीटा, दिमाग में आपके कैसा आया. वेरी सिंपल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर देखिए 1 माइनस साइन थीटा है, तो 1 माइनस साइन थीटा का कॉन्जुगेटिंग फैक्टर कहा जाता है. 1 माइनस रहा तो 1 प्लस लेना, जो लिए वही मल्टीप्लाई करें. सो 1 प्लस साइन थीटा, 1 प्लस साइन थीटा, 1 प्लस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल, होल रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस साइन थीटा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा. नाउ इट इज कमिंग इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. रिमेंबर अगेन आइडेंटिटी नंबर 1, 3 आइडेंटिटीज में से फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर इधर आ गया माइनस साइन स्क्वायर. सो वेर एवर 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज कमिंग, वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट एज कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. सो ये हटा के मैं क्या करूँगा, यहाँ पर कॉस स्क्वायर ए लूँगा, थीटा की जगह ए है, यहाँ स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल, 1 प्लस साइन थीटा बाई कॉस थीटा. ये कॉस थीटा 1 के लिए भी है, कॉस थीटा साइन के लिए भी है सेपरेटली. देखिए थोड़ा सा रिवर्स जाइए, आपको वैसे आया था एलसीएम ले लेके, कॉस ए बोले तो सेम यही आया था. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 1 बाई कॉस इज नथिंग बट सेक ए प्लस साइन बाई कॉस इज नथिंग बट टैन ए. सेक ए प्लस टैन ए इज इक्वल टू सेक ए प्लस टैन ए, LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS, हेंस प्रूव्ड. Seventh one, prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square. This is also one of the important question, my dear students. third, seventh, tenth. Remember that. Now, what you have to do, my dear students, please follow over here. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. You expect the form of A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here, next A plus B whole square again. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now, sin square A. We are having sin square A here also. Sin square A, here cos square A. दोनों को खरीद ला लीजिए. You get identity, close identity आ लीजिए अपने को. उसके बाद cosec square A. Then after that 2 sin A. In the place of cosec A, I can write 1 by sin A. Plus sec square A plus 2 cos A. Sec is nothing but 1 by cos A. Sec is 1 by cos. Multiplicative inverse. Cos cancel, sin cancel. Since you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, ये पूरा हटा के आप क्या लिखोगे 1 plus cosec square A plus sin cancel 2 plus sec square A plus 2 is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now, my dear students, among this 10th question, the speciality of this question is all the three identities are being used. तीनों आइडेंटिटी यूज होने देखिए. अब आइए, या ऐसे रखूंगा मैं अगले लूंगा कोसेक के लिए. यू नो दैट सिंस यू नो दैट कोसेक और सेक दोनों होगा. पहले सेक का देखिए आप आइडेंटिटी नंबर 2 sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. Similarly, third identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1. तो इसमें से मैं sec square theta की वैल्यू लूंगा 1 minus tan square plus tan square. is from it I am taking out the value of cosec square theta 1 minus cot plus cot square theta. Now in the place of sec square theta I can write 1 plus sin square theta. In the place of cosec square theta I can write 1 plus cot square theta. चलिए सर. Now 1 plus 2 plus 2 5 plus cosec square theta nothing but 1 plus cot square theta plus then sec square theta nothing but 1 plus tan square theta or a. In the place of theta you can write a here as it is given a here, so you have to mention a only. Whatever that is given, it is all given a, so go for a. So, please follow here, my dear students. देखिए आप a plus b whole square फॉर्म में a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a plus b whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now sin square इसके बाजू ला लिया cos square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a. cosec की जगह 1 by sin multiplicative inverse plus sec square a plus 2 cos sec. cos as it is sec की जगह 1 by cos a. cos cancel, sin cancel. So now they are having 1. Since you know that sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Identity number 1. So 1 plus cosec square plus 2 sec square plus 2. 2, 1. Nothing but 5. Now here I am taking both the identities. Identity number 2, identity number 3. From which I am getting sec square theta is nothing but 1 plus sin square theta. Cosec square theta is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta. In the place of sec square मैं ये रखूंगा. In the place of cosec square I am going to substitute this one. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 5 cosec square 1 plus cot square plus sec square 1 plus tan square is equal to 7 plus tan square plus cot square. Now 5 plus 1 plus 1 how much? 6 7. 7 plus cot square plus tan square 7 plus tan square plus cot square. LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Now in the ninth question it is very simple and easy. If sec theta is given as sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Okay. Now see here, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to what? P given. We are going to find out sec theta minus tan theta how much. Remember identity number 2. Since you know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Remember it is coming in a form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square expansion? A plus b into a minus b is equal to 1. I am keeping the sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta here only. 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. In the place of sec theta plus tan theta I can keep 1 by p. Now my dear student, the last and the final questions remaining. 10th question, I am going to solve that particular question in 2 different methods and 2 different ways. Both are important. By that, today this is the third part of trigonometrical ratios and very much important exercise. This is 10 questions are there. Among the 10 questions, one is possible for any examination. 10th question, exercise 11.4, page number 296. This is supposed to be the last question of your trigonometrical chapter, and it's very important examination point of view. Given that if cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Now my dear students, we have to prove this. LHS is equal to RHS. What you have to do? Since you know that cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, not since it is given that दिया गया है, given that cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to k. So in the place of k, I can substitute cosec theta plus cos theta. So k square is nothing but क्या होगा cosec theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1. K square is nothing but cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. That is equal to cos theta. Now cosec plus cot, I am converting into sin and cos. Cosec 1 by sin, cot is what? Cos by sin. Tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin. Cosec again 1 by sin plus cot is cos by sin, square is square, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now take the LCM, sin same, so 1 plus cos, sin same, 1 plus cos same. Now my dear friends, this square is for both 1 plus cos and sin square also. This is square for both 1 plus cos, sin square, minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. Whenever we are balancing 1 by 1, remember that we are going for the LCM. Sin square 1, LCM sin square चले गया, it has gone one time. So what is remaining? Sin square is gone, 1 plus cos square, 1 plus cos theta whole square minus 1 sin square 1 is sin square. Then again by sin square theta and 1, LCM sin square theta, sin square gone, 1 plus cos square theta plus 1 sin square 1 is sin square theta. So my dear friends, whenever the problem coming in the form of this one, a by b, c by d, you have to say reciprocal. Reciprocal is nothing but a by b divided by c by d will become a by b as it is, c by d will become d by c like this. Sin square theta ऊपर चले जाएगा, नीचे 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Sin square theta cancel. Now 1 plus cos square theta minus sin square theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square minus sin square theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square plus sin square theta. Now again I am doing a plus b whole square form, I am expanding it. 1 square plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square minus sin square theta plus sin square theta. Now 1 as it is minus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta. 1 as it is plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta as it is. Since you know that identity number 1 what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. अब अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी क्या होता है, sin square theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 plus sin square theta, it will become minus sin square theta. So in the place of cos square theta, I can substitute what? 1 minus sin square theta. Now follow over here. 1 minus sin square theta. In the place of 1 minus sin square theta, I am substituting what? Cos square theta. Cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta by you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 because of the identity number 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta plus 1. So 1 plus 1 2. Here also cos square theta 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Here 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. In numerator take 2 cos theta as a common. 2 cos theta is equal to 2 cos theta into cos theta plus 1, because 2 cos theta into cos theta, 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta 1s are 2 cos theta. In denominator you are taking 2 as a common, 2 1s are 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta, both are getting cancelled, 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. Remember that my dear students, whenever we are cancelling, we have to see whether we are having the relation of multiplication and division. The whole thing I am cancelling. That's why I cannot able to cancel one like this. The whole thing is cancelled because they are same. 2 is getting cancelled. Remaining was cos theta is equal to cos theta. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now, my dear student, the same question I am going to modify according to the examination point of view. It was asked previously, and your series of the question by the government, it was given DCEB, in which the question is framed like this: if cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, find any angle. It may be given tan theta or sin theta or cos theta. This type of question was asked previously. Here we have proof from cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. We have proved. The pattern may be changed. The question may be changed. It may be asked, if cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to k, then find any one angle, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, or any one angle. So let's see the next question like that. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then find tan theta. Now, my dear students, remember 10th question, what we did now is from your reader. But it was asked in the different examination. The question is framed like this. वहाँ पर क्या दिया था? cos theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k square. अपने को प्रूफ करना था, यहाँ पर प्रूफ नहीं करो बोल रहा है. और I have seen this type of question in the practice paper also, which is issued by the Sakshi. So cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then find the value of tan theta. तो हम वो substituting process से नहीं जा सकते. We are going to follow the different rule. Now cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. You know that it is given already. Remember the identity number 3, that is cosec theta minus cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. If you carefully observe, you see that it is coming in a form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is nothing but a minus b into a plus b. This is a square, this is b square. A minus b into a plus b is nothing but 1. Now I am keeping cosec theta minus cot theta as it is. This is equal to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. Since you know that cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, it is given value. So cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Two variables, you remember that? दो वेरिएबल के लिए दो इक्वेशन. Two equations are given simultaneous equation form में जाइए अब आप उसके बाद by adding first and second equation. First equation, second equation, minus cot theta plus cot theta is getting cancelled. आपके पास बच गया क्या? cosec theta 2 cosec theta k plus 1 by k. K is nothing but k by 1 plus 1 by k is nothing but 1 or k LCM k 1 k into k square plus k gone 1. Cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Remember your first exercise, my dear students. उसमें इसी तरह से दिया था, एक वैल्यू दिया था, फिर अदर वैल्यू निकालना था. तो वही प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करेंगे आप. सिंस यू नो दैट कोसेक इज द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ साइन. साइन का उल्टा कोसेक. साइन क्या होता है? अपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो ऑब्वियसली कोसेक क्या हो जाएगा? हाइपोटेन्यूज बाय अपोजिट. कोसेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू अपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज बाय अपोजिट, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? k स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई 2k. अब आप देखिए हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या हो जा रहा है इसका? लॉन्गेस्ट साइड k स्क्वायर प्लस 1. अपोजिट क्या हो जा रहा है? 2k. थीटा अगर यहाँ पर क्रिएट हो रहा है तो सो हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड अपोजिट इज गिवन, एडजेसेंट इज मिसिंग. नाउ when the three sides, among the three sides, when two are given, one is missing, so we have to go for the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what it says? Opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. We are going to find out the value of adjacent. Adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square plus it will become minus opposite square. Hypotenuse square k square plus 1 whole square minus opposite square 2k whole square. Now my dear students, please follow over here. It is coming in a form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus square for both 2 square k square. I am not expanding, I am not solving the power, I am keeping like that. K square to the power of square plus 1 square is nothing but 1 square only. Don't expand it, you will be getting some different result. Plus 2k square minus 4k square. Remember that. What is the difference between these two? This is nothing but k square plus 1 square plus 2k minus plus minus minus 4k square minus 2k square, you are getting minus 2k square. There is no difference between this one and this one. The only difference is what of sign, this one. तो ये क्या था बच्चा कि a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2a भी था, और यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? ये a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2a भी है. ये a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर का एक्सपेंशन है, तो नेचुरली ये क्या होगा? a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर का एक्सपेंशन. हमारे लिए a है k स्क्वायर माइनस बी है हमारे लिए 1 a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर स्क्वायर कैंसिल एडजेसेंट यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट k स्क्वायर माइनस 1 you are getting adjacent k square minus 1. So what you have to find out? You have to find tan theta. Since you know that tan theta is nothing but opposite and adjacent, opposite is 2k by adjacent just now you found out k square minus 1. Similarly, you can find like 10th question, suppose if it is asked cos theta is equal to how much, then you have to go for, since you know that cos theta, ratio of cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. In your previous question, 10th question, last question of your reader, so cos theta is equal to adjacent. What is adjacent? K square minus 1 by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is k square plus 1. Are you able to follow, my dear students? So in the previous question we have proved by substituting k square to cos theta. Now suppose if the question is given like this, this is the only way to solve that type of question. So thank you very much. This is the end of identities problem. In fact, the third and the last part of trigonometry. So we request you to share the video with your friends, like it, subscribe it. God bless you. Thank you very much.